So once you're done working on your design and you want to download it, just click either this button and just wait a few seconds and it will download. If it's not visible, just click on share, download, and you have a few options right here. You can just go with the default, or if you know what you're doing, you can just you choose different file types. Both JPEG, PNG are fine for social media. PDF if you're trying to print it, or if you're sharing like a document, like maybe a presentation or something. If it's like, okay, not a presentation. If it's a presentation, just go with an MP4 because it's a video, I guess. Or PBTX. If you, I don't know, yeah, you have options basically. But yeah, anyways, if you just want to download and share it on social media, just go with PNG and click download. It'll take like a second to download, and like I'm not gonna download it, but yeah, just wait a second and then you will get the PNG file on your phone. So that's it.